That enthalpy of phase transition. Next concept is enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. In that, number one, enthalpy of ionization. Ionization means formation of ions. Formation of ions means loss of electron, means removal of electron. That means enthalpy of ionization, it is represented by delta ion H. It is the enthalpy change is accompanied by removal of electron from one mole of gaseous atom are called as enthalpy of ionization. It is the enthalpy change accompanied by removal of an electron from one mole of gaseous atom. For example, sodium, it is a gaseous state. Then removal of one electron from sodium Na, it gets Na plus electron depletion because the loss of electron. Delta ionization H, it requires 494 kilojoule per mole enthalpy. That is nothing but the enthalpy of ionization. Change in enthalpy is 494 kilojoule per mole. Removal of electron from gaseous atom, that is nothing but the enthalpy of ionization. Number one, it is the enthalpy change is accompanied by removal of or loss of one electron from one mole of gaseous atom. This value 494 it for one mole of gaseous atom, that is 494, that means removal of electron. That is nothing but the enthalpy of ionization. Number two, enthalpy of atomization, that is represented by delta atom H. Atomization means the molecules get separated into the atoms. The enthalpy change is accompanied by the dissociation of one mole of gaseous substance into atoms. That is dissociation and association. Dissociation means this Cl2 gets separate. Association means this Cl get come with each other to form Cl2. That is associated and dissociated. That is the difference. The enthalpy change is accompanied by the dissociation of one mole of gaseous substance into atoms. This is the gaseous substance is dissociated. Cl2 get converted into the Cl gas plus Cl gas. It requires delta atomization is 242 kilojoule per mole. One more example, CH4. In that, one carbon and four hydrogen is dissociated with apart from each other. Carbon and four hydrogen are dissociated or separated with each other. Delta atomization H is requires 1660 kilojoule per mole. 1660 kilojoule per mole it requires change in enthalpy. That means four hydrogens, all the 1660, four hydrogen, one hydrogen from carbon, it requires average divided by 4, that is 440 it energy for one hydrogen, it separated from CH4. CH4, one hydrogen remove, CH3, again one hydrogen remove, CH2, again one hydrogen remove, CH, again one hydrogen remove, CH. All this requires average 1660, that means divided by 4. That is nothing but the enthalpy of atomization. Means the enthalpy change is accompanied by dissociation of one mole of gaseous substance into the atoms are called as enthalpy of atomization. Number 3, enthalpy of solution. How to get solution? Solute plus solvent are called as solution. Less amount of solute, large amount of solvent, it gets solution. For example, sugar plus water, it is called as solution. Sugar is dissolved in solvent, that is water, to form a sugar solution, or it considers salt solution. Then enthalpy of solution, it is represented by delta solution H, means the change in process when one mole of substance is dissolved in a specific amount of solvent. One mole of substance, any kind of substance, is dissolved in specific amount of solvent. For example, 5 gram of sugar dissolved in 100 ml of water. This 100 ml, it is a specified amount of solvent, and 5 gram, it is a substance dissolved in specific amount of solvent are called as solution. Means required amount of solute dissolved in specific amount of solvent are called as solution. The enthalpy change required, that is nothing but the enthalpy of solution. That is the change in process when 1 mole of substance is dissolved in a specified amount of solvent. For example, if NaCl, that is common salt, table salt, is dissolved in water to form aqueous solution of NaCl, it requires delta solution H, that is 4 kJ per mole. This enthalpy change, that is 4 kJ per mole. That is nothing but the enthalpy of solution. Last one, enthalpy of dilution. Dilution means, for example, concentrated solution is converted into the dilute by addition of water. This is nothing but the dilution process. That is, concentrated HCl is diluted by adding the water. That is, this enthalpy change is nothing but the enthalpy of dilution. Enthalpy change is accompanied by when solution of one concentration is diluted to form solution of another concentration. Means the concentration change process is possible in this enthalpy of dilution. Conversion of one concentration into another concentration, this is nothing but the enthalpy of dilution. For example, HCl, it is concentrated, then add water to form dilute. This concentration is different. Therefore, delta dilute H, it requires plus 75.4 kJ per mole enthalpy. This is nothing but the enthalpy of dilution. Then these are the enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. In that, there are 4 types of enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. Number 1, enthalpy of ionization, means formation of ions, means loss of electron, removal of electron from gaseous atom. This is nothing but the enthalpy of ionization. Enthalpy of atomization means from molecule formation of atoms. That means dissociation of molecule into the atoms. Means separate. For example, Cl2 CH4, Cl2 Cl plus Cl, they dissociated. CH4 C plus 4 hydrogen is dissociated. Number 3, enthalpy of solution. Solution means solute plus solvent are called as solution. Means 1 mole of substance is dissolved in specific amount of solvent are called as solution. For example, NaCl dissolved in water, formation of aqueous NaCl. Last one, enthalpy of dilution means change in concentration from one solution to another solution. One concentration is diluted to form solution of another concentration.